Here's Benny the Redneck. Everybody here for another video. And here's a video of my new 3D printer that I made a surprise that I kept it as a surprise from you guys, and here it is. And I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel, because I'm gonna start making a lot more videos with this 3D printer, because I see from all the viewers that you guys are liking these videos of this 3D printer. And there'll be a whole bunch more to come. Just stay tuned, people. I'll try to upload as many videos as I can, but you all do know it's not that easy when you don't have a camera guy or anything like that, or people editing your videos. I do it all myself. And some people might call me a liar for that, but you guys don't know that I do it. All these videos pretty much myself. Just the neighbor helps me with just holding the camera at different angles. And we just use our phones. We don't have no special high-end $1,000 camera that you don't really need, because your cell phones can do all that. They can do slow-mo and all that stuff. So you don't really necessarily need a high-end $20,000 camera. And I hope you guys are enjoying these videos, because I really do like this 3D printer. I should have bought this one like a year or two ago. I think I should have bought the first generation of it. This is the upgraded version of the original Prusa MK4S. And it does print pretty fast. This is only on 100% speed. It's way faster than my other one. And speaking of my other one, guys, I had to put a new heating element thing in it because the other one burnt up. So I had to buy a new part for it, and that part will be in soon. And then maybe I'll make some more videos with that one too, so you'll see more than one printer making videos. Even though I do like this printer more because it connects to my phone and I can control the whole entire printer through my phone, through the Prusa app. There are other apps, but I don't know what they're called. I'll have to look them up and maybe try other apps to see what other things I can do with this printer. And we're only at 8%, guys. And according to the printer, it says it'll be done at 9:42 p.m. And we'll just sit here for like a couple seconds showing you guys the printer and how it moves, because this thing is flawless on how it makes the 3D printed items that you make. And yes, those orange pieces on the sides that help it go up and down are also 3D printed. A lot of this machine is 3D printed, except for the parts that get hot. That's the only thing that's not 3D printed. Well, majority of this is. And let me know in the comments, guys, if you guys want to see me make some of those parts for this printer, so whenever those ones decide to shit the bed or whatever you call it, everybody calls it something different, or if they break, I can make new ones and put those ones on there. You guys should let me know what color I should make them. Should I make a black, white, pink, purple? There's a lot of different colors out there. There's even filament that looks like wood. I could even make it look like it has wooden parts on it, like make it look like the olden days. Just let me know in the comments, guys. Don't be afraid to comment. You guys watch all my videos, but no one comments. I don't know why you guys don't comment on it. But you guys like the videos, but all the other YouTubers out there, you guys all comment and everything on their videos. What am I doing wrong that makes you guys not want to comment or anything? Just let me know. Then maybe I can fix it. And make it so you guys are more interested in these videos, because I really do enjoy making videos. And I'll continue to do it. You just let me know if I can improve stuff. And I'll try my best to do so. Because I'm trying to entertain you guys too. And I can't easily do that if you don't chat and talk on the comments. That's what they're there for. To say what you like and dislike, or just have a conversation with people. And I hope you guys love this printer as much as I do. And Benny the Redneck will be back for another video eventually. Peace, everyone. Stay safe out there.